disturbed by the story, really, and this is the first time I've ever heard of anything like this. You had an 8-year-old boy who was basically abused until he died several years ago. Well, now the social workers who were responsible for him, or were supposed to be responsible for him, find themselves charged with child abuse for ignoring the warning signs. Maybe you remember this case. It was horrific. 8-year-old Gabriel Fernandez, let me show you his picture. He's from Palmdale, and he died in May of 2013 after months of abuse by his mother and her boyfriend, according to authorities. Again, just some horrific details. Gabriel was pepper sprayed, beaten, and forced to eat his own vomit. And after his death, an autopsy showed he had a fractured skull, 3 broken ribs, and BB pellets embedded in his body. Now, Gabriel's mother, Pearl Fernandez, and her boyfriend, Isauro Aguirre, were both charged with capital murder. But Gabriel's relatives, his grandparents, filed a lawsuit against LA County, and their contention is it was really the social workers who dropped the ball in this case. They say these county social workers missed many, many chances to save Gabriel's life because they say there were more than 60 complaints that the boy was being abused that were made before he was eventually found dead. Now, this morning, the district attorney, Jackie Lacey, announced that 4 social workers were arrested, and let me give you their names here on a list. They are Stefanie Rodriguez, Patricia Clement, and their supervisors, Bom and Gregory Merritt. All 4 are charged with 1 felony count of child abuse and 1 felony count of falsifying public records. Now, the DA, Lacey, said this, quote, "By minimizing the significance of the physical, mental, and emotional injuries that Gabriel suffered, these social workers allowed a vulnerable boy to remain at home and to continue to be abused." The 4 social workers who've been arrested are set to go before a judge here at the Criminal Courts Building sometime this morning. If they're convicted, they could face up to 10 years in prison, and we'll have more details on our 1 o'clock news. We'll send it back to you.